Hi, I'm Mike. I get asked a lot of times, who should I use to get a mortgage? Who should I go to? Should I go to my bank? Should I go to my credit union? Who should I use? Well, first of all, having been in this industry for 30 years and worked on the mortgage side and now own the real estate company, I want to tell you that personally, there are a lot of people out there that say that they can do mortgages. And yeah, they can do mortgages, but do they care about you? Let me explain this a little bit. Big banks are big banks. And can they do mortgages? Yes. But you better fit inside what I call the cookie cutter. You better be vanilla. I hear credit unions go, oh, we've got this and that. Credit unions are great at doing checking and savings and car loans and credit cards. But when it comes to mortgages, most of them, it is embarrassing. They drop the ball on their clients. It's very frustrating for realtor professionals that are working with a buyer who's using a credit union. I also hear people that are flaunting their names where they use VA whatever, or you hear about USAA or Navy Federal in these areas. I'm just going to say to you right now, buyer beware. If you want to know some really good mortgage providers, let me know. I'm here to be able to cut through the chase and say, here, you can go here, you go here, and you go here. The other thing you want to be careful of, you want to be careful of these online programs. You know who they are. You hear about Rocket Mortgage, Quicken Mortgage, and all of this. They're out of state. They're not local. A lot of realtors want to deal with local lenders, somebody that they can, as I want to say, talk to directly on the phone. And again, when you're using a bank, are they banker hours? Are they available on the weekend when most buyers are out there shopping? So again, who should you choose? Well, I can tell you, but if you want that information and you want true, no strings attached information on who you should shop with, call me, text me, email me. My information's below. Let me know. I'm here for you.